on this video today, I'm going to show you 3 legit apps that will pay you up to $600 or more for free. This might sound a surprise to you, so make sure you keep on watching so that I will show you everything that you need to do to cash out the money for free without investing any money, without selling anything, without buying anything. So if you are a beginner and you have never made money online, this still works for you. So you don't need any skills to do it, you don't need any experience to do it, and wherever you are in the world, you can still make money on these apps that I'm about to show you. Everyone can make money on these platforms that I'm about to show you. So if you are new and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Before I show you the apps, I want to show you the platforms that you can use to receive money from the apps for free. So what you need to do is that you have to sign up for an account on PayPal so that you can receive money from the apps that I'm about to show you. In case PayPal does not work in your country, you can also sign up for a free account on Payoneer. You can also use this platform to receive money from the apps that I'm about to show you. That being said, now let's get into the apps. The first app that will pay you free money is Money SMS. This is a free Android app that enables you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by their system and their customers. So once you receive the SMS, you are going to be earning money per every message that you receive. Money SMS is an Android app, so if you are not using Android device, keep on watching because the next app that I'm about to show you works on all devices. So as you can see here, apart from receiving the SMS, you can also refer your friend and you are going to be earning money on this platform. As you can see, you are going to earn 30% of your referral earnings. So in case your referral earn $100, you are going to earn $30 from that $100. One good thing about it is that it is automatic, so once you install the app onto your phone, you can be earning passive income for free. So you don't even need to install it onto your current device. You can install it onto your old device and you are still going to be earning money for installing the app. The text messages, you don't need to read them, you can just open and delete, and the next one will come, you delete, and you are still going to be earning money on the platform for free. You can see they are not going to read your private messages. As you can see, everything is secured on this platform, and you can see that it is completely free. You don't need to pay anything, you don't need to invest anything. You can just install it and you are going to be earning money on the platform anytime you receive an SMS message. You can see that this is how the app look like when you install it on your phone. As you can see it right here, as you can see, this is how it looks like. You can request your withdrawal, as you can see it here. The good thing is that they have a lot of payment options that you can use to receive your money. You can see you can receive your money through Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, PayPal, Skrill, Web Money. So these are all legit ways that you can use to receive your money on this app. As you can see here, there are over 400,000 users on this platform who are making money for free using this app. So the question is, why would they pay you money for just installing their app or just receiving messages? The answer is here. A lot of telecom SMS providers and mobile network operators need to send SMS text messages to foreign countries to verify and ensure the proper delivery of their SMS. So there are a lot of companies who deliver SMS worldwide, so they want to test if their systems are working properly in different countries. So they allow you to receive messages onto your phone so that they can verify that their system is able to deliver SMS to those countries. So once you receive the messages, you are going to be paid. So what you need to do is that you have to install the app onto your Android device and you are going to be making money for just receiving text messages. The second app that will give you free money is Qmicom. This is a legit app that you can use on your phone and you are also going to be receiving money for free. So what you need to do is that you have to participate in surveys so that you can earn money on this platform for free. There are other ways and I'll come to that. So as you can see here, you have to sign up for an account so that you can unlock many surveys, and then you are going to be earning money anytime you complete the survey. So you can get surveys on the fashion category, you can get surveys on the food category, you can get surveys on the health category, you can also get surveys on travel categories. So anytime you complete a survey, you are going to be earning money on this website. There's another way that you can also earn money for free on this website. So you are going to come to the cashbacks. As you can see, cashback. So when you purchase any product, you are going to be receiving your money back. As you can see here, when you purchase this product right here, you are going to earn $15 back. When you purchase this product here, you are going to be earning $15 back, and this one you are going to earn $12 back, and then a whole lot of different items that you can purchase, and then you are going to receive your cash back. As you can see, this one you are going to earn $20 cash back, as you can see it right here. The one good thing is that you can select the category that you want to purchase the product, and you are going to get your cash backs. For example, when you come here, business services, you can see that when you purchase any Udemy course through Qmicom, you are going to be earning 5% cash back. You can see if you buy any HP products, you are going to get 1% cash back, and you can see there's another product here, you are going to earn 5% cash back. So as you can see, a whole lot of different things that you can get your cash back. You can see this one, if you buy any service on Fiverr, you are going to earn $3 cash back. You can also come to the finance or any of these categories, and you are going to get cashbacks anytime you purchase a product. So for example, let me go to health and fitness. Health and fitness, you can see skin store. If you buy a product there, you are going to earn 4% cashback. You can see there's a skin care here, you are going to earn 4% cashback. And then as I scroll, you can see many products that you can get cashbacks. So when you come to the finance category, you can equally get products that you can earn cashbacks anytime you make a purchase. You can see this one here, you are going to get $1.50 cashback. You can see this one here, $2.50 cashback, and then you can see this one, $12 cashback, and many others. So as I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different products. So this is one of the platforms that you can also use to receive money for free. If you want to buy products at a discount, you can just click on deals. You are going to get any product that you want based on any category, and you are going to get it at a discount. Another way to earn is playing games. Once you come to the game, you can see this game is available on Android. So if you play this game, you are going to earn $15. This one is available on iOS. So if you play this game, you are going to earn $15. So whatever device that you are using, you can play games on this platform, and you are going to be earning money. You can see this $20, $10, $10, $12, $20, $25. So as I scroll, you can see many of them that are even going to pay you higher amount anytime you play games. You can see this one, $55, $25, $30. There are a lot of them that you can play. So if you are using Android or iOS device, you can get games here to play, and you are going to earn money for free. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click on the sign up. Once you click on the sign up, you can just download it from App Store. You can also download it on Google Play Store, and you are going to get it onto your device. Once you get it onto your device, you are going to sign up for your free accounts, and you can begin earning money on the platform for free. So that is it for the second app. We are now moving on to the third app. As you can see, this is the third app, karenus. This is one of the platforms that you are going to earn money for just listening to music. So as you can see, once you listen to your favorite music, you are going to be earning points, and you can convert those points into cash or gift cards, and you are going to withdraw it through your PayPal accounts. This app is not going to make you rich, but one good thing is that you are going to be listening to the music that you like, and you are going to be earning money. So that is just the good aspect of it. You can see you are going to earn $600 per year. So this is not a huge amount of money, but the good thing is that you are going to be listening to your favorite music. Whilst you are enjoying your music, you are going to be earning money along the way. So that is just the good aspect of this app. So as part of your bonus for watching this video till this moment, I'm going to show you a website that will pay you money for just doing nothing. So the name of this website is Radion.com. This is a legit platform that you can earn money for just listening to online radio. The good aspect of it is that you don't need to listen to the radios yourself. You can just share the link of the radio to your friends through WhatsApp, through other social media platform, and you are going to be earning money on this website without doing anything. As you can see right here, it is 100% free to sign up for an account. And another good aspect is that you can just get your radio link, and you can share it. As I said earlier on, you can share it on social media, you can share it on your website. So once people listen to the radio through your link, you are going to be earning money on this website for free. So as you can see here, you're going to be earning points every 15 minutes, and then you can convert those points to cash, and you are going to withdraw it through bank transfer, Amazon gift card, or Bitcoin. So that is the good aspect of it. You don't need to do anything else. Another good thing about this website is that it is available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can just sign up for a free account, and then you can begin to earn money on this platform. As you can see, they have over 500,000 members, and you can see that there are 557 members who are listening to the radio right now. So let me scroll to show you more. As you can see, there are 10 people from Russia who are listening to the radio right now. You can see Canada, 13 people are listening to the radio now. You can see US, we have 53 people listening to the radio now. You can see we have 9 people from Mexico. You can see we have 3 people from Egypt. You can see 1 person from Ethiopia. You can see 3 people from Kenya. You can see 1 person from Tanzania. You can see 1 person from Ghana. You can see 1 person from Benin. So wherever you are in the world, you can listen to this radio and you are going to be earning money for free. As you can see, it is available worldwide. You can see a whole lot of people from different countries listen to the radio right now. As you can see, a whole lot of them. So what you need to do is that you have to sign up for a free account so that you can earn money on this website for free for just listening to an online radio. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.